All right, so while we head on over to the shop, here's a fun fact I found out courtesy of where else? The internet. Back in the day, Ford's painting process was, well, inefficient, like most manufacturers of the day. The overspray would get on trays, all different types of stuff, and then they'd bake it and it would get stuck. They'd add another layer, it'd get stuck, and so on. Well, when they chipped this stuff off, an enterprising individual who was either extremely bored or frankly high found out that you could cut this stuff, polish it, and treat it almost like a gemstone. And this gemstone became affectionately known as Fordite. As you can see, it's not exactly cheap, which is mind-blowing. So, as many of you know, Ford used to own Volvo. You don't have to go very far in our P1 or P2 platforms to find a FOMOCO or Ford Motor Company part. So, I figure if you're looking to get someone something nice, maybe that special lady in your life, something unique and has an automotive background, maybe look up Fordite. Oh, and speaking of Christmas and what to get those who are important to you in your life, head down to the link below for our Teespring account. We got a ton of awesome stuff. A lot of it's Volvo themed, so definitely check it out. It's great for Christmas, Hanukkah, holidays, whatever you celebrate, or if you just want to get something awesome. And the best part is all the proceeds go right back into our cars. So it's really a win-win all the way around. So now we're going to head over to the shop. So what are we here? What are we doing today? Well, first things first, if NBC is to be believed, just happened to be on after the football games yesterday, which was Thanksgiving. Happy belated Thanksgiving, everyone. If NBC's weather service is to be believed, there's a pretty nasty winter storm headed our way, and those are definitely summer tires and really nice wheels. I really have no desire to drive that in snow because it's probably a really terrible idea. Or you want to see me drive them in the snow. Maybe comment below if you want to see me drive, and I'll do a review on why you shouldn't have summer tires in snow. Could be fun. Or that could be the last video you see me make. No, we're going to be throwing the stock wheels back on with the all seasons. Yes, it's not the last word in winter performance, but it's going to do a heck of a lot better than those bad boys. Also, we had some things done off camera, so I'm going to walk you through a couple of those things. So, well, first things first, we got to get the car up in the air and get the wheels, which, here. The wheels are up there. That should be pretty fun, getting those bad boys down. Let's get to it. First thing is our O2 sensor. That's actually a fairly easy job. It's literally that bolt and a clip up in there. If you watched my exhaust video, you'll know that that clip can be a bit of a pain in the rear end. The other thing we had done were these. As you can see, the shiny and new part, those are our white line bushings. Those have really helped our wheel hop situation. The car feels a little bit more planted now. We won't know if it completely fixed the problem until we're making full power again. But now comes the fun part. Obviously we're missing wheels. Getting the wheels down from up there. Solo. It's going to be fun. So in case anybody was wondering, that are my old wheels, which isn't at all precarious. Getting them down, it's probably not the smartest decision, but yeah, let's give it a shot. All right, we are back home. You can see our stock wheels are back on the car. They are pretty beat up. Not that I'm overly concerned about it, because these are obviously winter wheels now. But and for anyone keeping track at home, that's Achilles 225/40/18 on there. They make okay tires. They're not the best, but they're not completely lethal, I guess is the best way to put it. Good grief, it's cold out. You know, as I get older, I'm really starting to just not like winter and all things snow, cold, so on. As a kid, well, snow days, sledding with your friends, all that other stuff, it's not anymore. I think I could do without winter. Maybe I need to look into moving someplace where there isn't so much of the cold. Just a real quick update. Last video you saw that we had our boost was pretty much all over the place. Haven't fixed that out. We think it's somewhere in the tune. It's either the tune or our stock TCV is bad, the new part. We still have to hunt that down, figure out what's going on there, because yeah, I can't really get on boost at the moment. And in a turbocharged car, that's well, that's not exactly ideal. But as for this video, guys, that's pretty much a wrap. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get all of Shifting Lanes stuff as soon as we release it. If you want to find Shifting Lanes on social media, it's at Shifting Lanes, or me personally, at Chenedy83. If you want to, I don't know, take the conversation elsewhere, talk Volvos, talk cars in general, I'm happy to talk to all of our fans. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And I will catch you next time. Woo!